the first process that I'm going to do is get the lights ready, clean up the place as usual, and then we set up and then we can start the vlog. Welcome to another episode of Aphrodite RC. You know we always bring you the magic. Yesterday I dropped a video of me going around Akihabara. I was looking for a specific RC shop. Man, that was fire. I got so flashed I couldn't even believe. Next time I'm definitely going with the list. But I will definitely be back because I need a few things somewhere here and a lot of things everywhere. So that's just a sneak preview of the place. I will definitely come back another time. But you know, we always bring you custom designs, RC builds, shops that we visit, whether it's Tamiya or any other local shops around Tokyo and Japan. And we also customize bodies. We body it every day. So keep it locked, hit the like button and subscribe. But today we have something special for you because we got a few things yesterday, but I broke the bank. Damn, my wallet is on negative. But I've been looking for this particular piece for quite a long time. And also the other one was unnecessary, but it was necessary. So I have to justify it because it was there. Otherwise, I would not have gotten it. Ha! That's Aphrodite RC math. I never needed it, but it was there. So it was unnecessary, but necessary for the moment because I never knew when I'll go back again. But right now, I know when I'll go back again. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, right. Let's talk about the elephant in the room a bit because there's so much detail that will take for me to cover this. It's a 1/10 scale. So I saw it yesterday and I definitely had to get it first of all because of the Hoonigan. If you know about it, then it's part of the culture. Whether you race cars, drift, or RC cars, then you know the history behind the car itself. So that's quite important. But the main thing with it is actually the design of the body. And I really wanted to have a Ford Mustang that is already completely built. So we're going to jump into details about this in a future episode where we'll dedicate it fully to building it, customizing it, and tuning it up to the level where it can be able to, you know, break some records. Well, that's not the elephant in the room. Technically, this is the elephant in the room. So yesterday I was able to go to the shop. I was actually looking for bodies. So a couple of bodies for me to be able to customize what I wanted to customize. I like to build RC bodies. So I'm very passionate about that. And as you can see, I have a couple of bodies that I was able to order for the Silvia, the Evolution, the Mazda RX-7, the Scotcher. So I have a couple of bodies that I'd built before. Let's say, for example, I call it the Black Messi. And then I have the Porsche bodies, for example, these ones, that I'd fully built them myself, painted them. So it's one of my passion to build bodies, whether it's for the trucks like that or just my own design and customize them to some level. I'm still working on this. I need to put some lights. But besides that, so that's my body tray. That's why I put all the bodies and I want to work on them. So I got a couple of, I picked up a couple of RC bodies, but these ones are the clean ones, similar to this. So what you need to do is buy the paints, for example, that. So once you buy the paints, you can be able to paint them, you know, to the design that you want. When you buy an RC car like this, it's already pre-painted and everything is done. So you don't need to stress about painting it again and, you know. But this in particular was quite interesting because it's a killer body. So you have a 110 scale Nissan Skyline finished body, metallic blue printed light buckets assembly. So you need to assemble the lights, which was quite good. I was quite excited to be, is it R34? There was also R31. So R34, which is quite good because it will remind me, or it's part of my Japanese experience. I also posted an R34 yesterday. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. So killer body, they have their, comes from Hong Kong, but that shop had a couple of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this and we see how it goes. Oh, this is so clean and smooth. Oh, wow. Are you seeing that? Wait a minute. Let's check this out. At the back. Sweet. Oh, I'm liking this. So this is a R10 body, so it's up to you to decide how you're going to, which car you're going to put it on. I have another one. I have another car. Oh, very cool, very cool, very cool. And you know, I can be able to raise it. So it's giving me already ideas. I don't think the Tamiya chassis is quite the best for that. What do you think? I think it's quite nice. Still, at the end of the day, to have the body is quite cool. And once I make the holes, then it can be able to sit much better. So it can sit inside. If not that, then I can be able to build a whole complete chassis for it. But I like the feel of it. I like how it looks. I would customize and make here a little bit more fatter. But it's a beautiful body, very nice body. Cool, so that was one of those things that I opened up. So this will go back to the box. For you to be able to get something like this, it will cost you about 2,000 yen. So 2,000 yen, you get this polycarbonate body for whatever car that you desire to make, right? And the polycarbonate body has a stick, like a clear foam on top. So no matter how much you paint the top, you can peel it out to have a clean finish. So what you do is you paint the inside. So you clean it up, make sure there's no static dust and everything. Then you spray paint it, and then once you've spray painted it, you flip it to the other side, and then you peel off to have the shiny, glossy look. That's the point of it. So for 2,000 bucks, you're able to get additional parts. For example, you get that, and then you get the sticker to what to do, and then you also get a few more stickers depending on the design of the car that you want to make. So whether you're making a racing car or you're making just a normal car, it's up to you to decide whether you want to use the stickers. But you can also buy stickers. So you can also buy stickers like this from your local store. Let's say this is with the Team Labo and the rest of it, that you can be able to customize it to almost look similar to that if you're into JDM. Basically, that's the gist of it. So that's a sort of ideal setup. And then from there, I can be able to walk around and see what works or what doesn't work and what is going to stick. Then I can also do some of the work here. For example, the body, the presentation, builds, I have my Sony ZV back, so I'll be using it also to vlog a lot in the future. So, well guys, that was what I got yesterday. Quite excited for this, but gotta go. See you guys on the flip side. Peace.